giant and very loud. The closer you come to the machine, the better you understand its name. The Hurricane machine from Puchov is both a monster and a technical masterpiece. Like a hurricane, sheer force rages in a large drum. Two incredibly thick steel chains rotate at high speed, pounding the material. The machine transforms rubberized steel cord scrap from the tire production back into valuable raw materials. The result: bales of steel cord for the industry and precious granulated rubber compound ready to be reused in manufacturing. Another step in our pursuit of making tire production more sustainable.